We're just gonna have to
lift it into place?
Well, we'll go up higher with the jack, but
Okay.
then we're just gonna have to. The nose is gonna be up higher.
Oh, I gotcha.
We're almost clear of that front crossing. Okay, we're gonna have to spin those around.
These?
Yeah, you wanna hold the jack right here?
Yep. Are they just sitting on that? Need to go your way?
Just a hair.
Do you want to spin the other one around first?
Yeah.
And then we'll adjust them.
Okay.
You want me to go in?
Yeah. Now this is gonna be fun.
Okay, should we just pick it up on each side? Or?
I need to get these inside of. I need to get the spring plates inside. We might have to do like a ratchet strap if you got one.
To attach to both sides. Okay.
To pull them together.
Alright.
I can. Can you go forward at all?
I'm not sure what it's hitting is the problem.
Oh, that nose. Okay. Let me lift the axle up over this.
Well, and I'm basically hitting the top, so do I need to lower it down? Because it's hitting higher. You know what I mean?
Shit, that's why I went so far. Yeah, we're gonna have to do like a strap across this or something
To tighten.
to pull it together.
Okay, underneath.
Yeah.
Okay.
Driver's side up right now.
I got. That's not touching. It's not touching.
Oh, hang on, don't move.
That's not touching. Maybe the passenger side.
Yeah, it's just off. Hey, there it is. Okay. Right there.
Got it?
Shift rod is close.
Okay.
Okay. You got that 8mm handy?
The what millimeter?
The 8mm?
No. Do you want to attach that right now?
Try. Maybe not. It's fucking tight as shit. Okay. I'm gonna leave that for you. Looks like a lot of fun. And you get your fingertips in there and that's it. So.
I'm gonna go grab the giant bolts from the back here.
Okay, yeah, we're in. It's not falling or nothing now.
Okay, so everything lined up. Everything lined up perfect,
Yeah.
just like it should.
First time.
First time. Had to take it out once.
Hopefully that's the last time we have to take it back out. Because I really don't want to do it after it's all painted and wired and fluids in it.
Yes.
Alright, so these are just snug.
Yeah, I'm gonna replace all those.
Yeah, and then I
tomorrow.
think when we get that back end into place, it'll make that shift rod easier to line up too.
These, oh, the two big bolts?
Yeah.
I don't even know what size these are. Big?
32 or 36?
27.
Oh. Or 27? 32 or 36 is
It's close to 27.
the big dog on the side.
Where is my extensions? Lift it. Your jack.
Yeah. Yeah, he was go. Everyone in? There it is.
Yeah. That's where it's supposed to sit.
Just had to bring it out and put it back in. No big deal. Should I leave these a little loose maybe?
Yeah.
Just, I mean, they're not.
Yeah, I would leave everything a little.
Alright, you ready for to remove these spring plates?
Yes. Is that axle? Maybe push that axle forward a little more if you can. There you go.
Go up.
So go up.
Yeah. Rubber hammer. Jack. There we go. Yeah, it's go crooked, I feel like.
Yeah, they kind of will. I'm gonna have to pull it over to that side.
Tighten those two, and then it'll suck everything. There we go.
The right side. I don't feel like they're catching. I mean, they're kind of catching, but they're not. Because where it's about.
Yeah, it's not tighten. That bottom of this thing. Nothing. Didn't do anything. Lifted the car up. Most of the transmission stuff done. It's all bolted in now. Gear reduction boxes are in, bolted on. Just got to put the boots on here. But it turned out nice. All new hardware. Rebuilt tranny. Rebuilt gear reduction boxes. Gotta do the brakes still. Pretty happy with it. Next I gotta do front beam. Put it in. I've got all the brakes for that. It's the beam. Getting close. Getting close to be back on the ground anyways. And then I gotta finish the body work.